Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how can we create tabs in our tkinter GUI application, and this is very useful, and also I hope you will find it very interesting concept. So let's continue. As usual, we have to import tkinter first. Import tkinter as tk, and then from tkinter import everything, right? And then we have to import from tkinter import ttk, because our tab library is in ttk. Okay, so first we have to create our main container, which is win tk.tk, and I will set the geometry, I mean the size of our main container, win.geometry. I think 600 by 600 will be good enough, and then win.title or tabs manager, and win.main loop. Okay guys, this video may be little lengthy, but trust me, it will be worth watching, and I hope you will benefit from it, because tabs are the very common thing used in real world applications, and I will do my best to give you detail as much as possible in a short time. Okay, so let me show you. I created the main window. Okay, this is the main window, and we are going to add tabs here, right? So here I will create our tab manager ttk dot notebook, and the parent container is win, right? And then I will add it, and here I will use fill both and expand. You can set 1 or true. Okay, now I'm going to create our tabs items, and then I will add them to our tabs manager. So for tabs, tab 1, I will use frame, and here as a parent container I will use manager, and then I will set the width to 500 and height to 400. We will work with 3 tabs, and they will be good enough for our video and to clear the concept. So tab 2, frame, manager, width 500, height 400. I hope you will find this video very interesting. I hope you will enjoy it. Frame, manager, width 500 and height 400. Right, now what we have to do is that we need to add these tabs to our tab manager. So I will use manager dot add tab 1, and here I will set the text, or let's call it step 1, and manager dot add tab 2, and text, let's call it step 2. This is step 1 and this is step 2. Manager dot add tab 3, text, step 3. Okay, now let me show you. Python tabs.py. Okay, see here, these are tabs. Let me create labels here so you can better understand. LB1 label. This is for tab 1. Text, I am in step 1. LB1 dot pack, pad X 20, pad Y. This is padding, okay? Padding Y 20. And for step 2, let's create another label. Tab 2, text, I am in step 2, and lb2 dot pack, pad X 20 and pad Y 20. And another label for tab 3, lb3 label, tab 2, text, I am in step 3, lb3 dot pack, pad X 20, pad Y 20. Okay, now let me show you. Right, you can see this. I am in step 1, and when I click this step 2, it's showing step. Oh, sorry, wait. Okay, actually by mistake I added label 3 to tab 2, so let me fix it. Just tab 3. Now see, when I click step 2, it's showing I am in step 2, and when I click step 3, it's showing I am in step 3. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to add some icons to each tab. Actually I have 2 icons here. You can see this is for enable and this is for disable. I'm going to give you more details about tabs here, and I hope you will benefit from it. Okay, here I will set image, but first wait, let me create images here. Enabled, I will use enabled image for active tag and disable image for inactive tabs. Okay, so enable tk.photo image, file enable.png, and disabled tk.photo image, file disabled. Right guys, please watch entire video so you won't miss anything, and I hope it will be worth watching. Enabled. Okay, and for step 2, let's make it disabled. Keep step 2 and step 3 disabled images. Let's see how is it looking. Okay, see, this is enabled and other are disabled, but text gone. So let's get the text back first. Here we need to set compound option, compound left. Okay, so icon will be on left and the text will be on right side. Compound left and compound left. Right, now let's see. Okay guys, you can see this, and you can see icon and text is here. Now let's make the use of these tabs. Initially let's make these 2 tabs disabled. Okay, and only first step will be active, and we will work from here, and then we will add some text and text field and buttons, and then we will play with these tabs. Okay, So here, to disable tab, we need to use state. Let me show you how can we use state. Manager.tab. Here we need to uh, call the tab variable which we need to disable. So tab2 state disabled, and tab3 state disabled. Right, now let me show you. These are the steps disabled. Okay, these are inactive steps and we won't select them on clicks, but we will work with the button here. We will add continue button. So let's create our text field and button. Let's make this application a little similar to real world application. So here, what's your name? And here I will add text field. Oh sorry, entry, tab1, and text variable cname. I will create the cname string var here. Cname string var, and we will ask for email address on second step. So let's create the email variable to string var. Okay, now here ent.pack padx 20 and pad-y. I'll leave this. Let's use only pack for now. And btn button tab1, because I'm working in tab1, so I'm using tab1 here for these three components. Text continue to step 2. Command go to step 2. I will create this function btn.pack pad-y 20. Okay, let me define the function here. So it should not give us any error. Let me show you how is it looking. Okay, see, this is asking what's your name. I will write the name here, and when I click continue, now listen me carefully. When I click the continue button, it should redirect me to or activate the state step 2 tab and disable this first step. Okay, so let's continue. Here, go to step 2. So first what we need to do is that manager.tab. First we will disable our first step. So for that, tab 1 and state will be disabled, and also we will change the image of tab 1 to inactive image, which is disabled. So manager.tab tab1 image, sorry, disable is a variable, and manager.tab. Now we need to set state of second tab to normal. So tab 2 state normal. This will show us the step 2. and manager dot tab 2, and here I will set the image to enable. Okay, one more thing we need to do, manager dot select tab 2. Okay, this will let us select the tab 2, right? Let me show you first. See, currently these are the disabled tabs. When I click continue, it changed the icon to enable, and it activated step 2, and it disabled the step 1. So what I'm going to do in step 2, I will show the name here. No, I will ask for email address here, and I will add two more buttons here, one for going back to step 1 and one for continue to step 3. Why I'm adding going back to step 1 is to explain you the concept of editing the previous step. Actually, in real world applications, usually there is a review button or edit button. Let's suppose we are registering on some website or in any application. So after completing the first step, after adding our information on next step, they usually ask us to edit if you make any mistake. Okay, so for that I will add go back to step 1 button there. So let's continue. Here here I will ask for email address. So what is your email? And here I will add another text field. I hope you will enjoy this video. ENT2. Guys, if you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I need your support. Of course, your support encourages me to bring more useful videos for you. Okay, here text variable, I will use email variable. Okay, let me remind you, we had created this email variable here, string var. Okay, so we will work with it. Yeah, here ent.pack, and then I will use two more buttons, btn2 button, tab 2. Oh, here also tab 2. Okay, and here text go back to step 1, and command go to step 1. I will create this function later in this video, btn2.pack, and another button we need, btn3 button, tab 3, sorry, tab 2, text continue to step 3, and here command go to step 3. I will create this function as well, btn3.pack pad y 20. I think 1 will be good enough. Sorry, 10. Padding y 10 will be good enough, and here pad y 10. Right, so we got two buttons and one text field. Let me create these two functions first, then I will show you how is it looking, then we will work with these functions. Def go to step 1, return true. Def go to step 3, return true. Let me show you first. Okay, see, when I click this button, Now, okay, text field is not showing here. Let me see what mistake I did here for entry. Oh, sorry. Okay, see here I will um, use the email address, and when I click go back to step 1, the step 1 should be activated. Otherwise, if I click continue to step 3, it should show me step 3. Let's create our step 1 button. Sorry, let's work with the step 1 function. Here I will use manager dot tap 1, and its state will be normal again. Manager dot tap 1 image will be enabled, and manager dot tap 2 its state will be disabled. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. Manager dot tap 2. Now tab 2 image will be disabled because we are working with tab 1. We are activating the tab 1. Image disabled. And also we need to use manager.select tab 1. Okay, now let's see how is it looking. See here, I enter my name. Well, this is not my name, but I'm entering for example. Right now, if I click go back to step 1, you can see step 1 is activated, step 2 is again disabled. If I click continue, step 2 is activated, step 1 is again disabled. Now let's work with continue to step 3 and our final step, which is step 3. Right now here we need to access our email and name variables, so I will use global keyword cname and email, and here manager.tab I will disable first and second step. Okay, which are first and second tab. Tab 1 state disabled, and manager.tab tab 1 image will be disabled. Right, and same I will do for second step. The second step has to be also disabled when I click the go to step 3 button. Manager.tab tab 2 image disabled, and manager.tab tab 2 state will be disabled. And now let's activate our third step, which is tab 3 manager.tab tab 3 state will be normal, and manager.tab tab 3 state image will be enabled. Okay, and also we need to do manager.select tab 3. Now here I will simply set the value of our label, which is in step 3. Okay, there I will show the name and email we entered in first and second step. Okay guys, please don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, now here lb3 dot. Okay, one more thing, you cannot easily set the value of label. So to set the value of label, we have to use label.configure. Now here we will work with text option, and here I will do like this: welcome plus I'm concatenating name, cname dot get. Okay, it will pick the value of our name which is entered in step 1. Welcome name, your email is, again concatenating the email value, right? Okay, I hope it will be working fine. You are all set. Thanks. Okay, so now let me show you how is it looking. Python tabs.py. Okay, now look carefully. Here I enter the name John. Okay, but now I want to edit my name, so I click go back to step 1. I edit the name John Smith. Right now here I enter the email address abc.abc@abc.com. okay, if I click again go back to step 1, see, this is step 1 activated and other steps are disabled. Again I click continue, step 2 is activated, other steps are disabled, and the image is also changed to enabled for step 2. Right now the final step is continue to step 3, and when I click the step 3, you see this: welcome John Smith, your email address is abc.abc@abc.com. you are all set, thanks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will like the video. So guys, see you in next video. I will keep bringing more useful concepts for you, and I will keep making detailed videos for you, and I hope you will benefit from them. So if you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Goodbye.